Welcome to the Money Matters video series. I'm Eileen Schiller, Manager of Financial and Workplace Programs at Wellspring Cancer Support Foundation. The Money Matters video series is comprised of short videos that describe the income replacement programs that may be available to you if you need to take time off of work due to your illness and treatment. This video focuses on Canada Pension Plan or CPP disability benefits. As explained in the introductory video, the income replacement programs fall into four categories. The financially tested programs determine your eligibility based on your financial situation in addition to your medical condition. Specifically, they will take a look at what you have in terms of income and assets. The contribution-based programs base eligibility on the contributions you make through your paycheck or through your self-employment earnings. Workplace programs are specific to your employer benefits package and, if available, can be found in your benefits booklet. And then lastly, personal resources. These are the assets and insurance that you've put in place, such as private disability insurance. This video will focus on one of the contribution-based programs, Canada Pension Plan or CPP disability benefits. This program is basically the federal government's long-term disability program. It's for patients who have contributed to CPP and who have a disability. Let's get into the specifics of the program. In terms of eligibility for CPP disability benefits, there are two requirements. First, you must have made contributions to CPP for a specific time frame. One important thing to mention is that if you are self-employed, you may be contributing to CPP through the filing of your tax return. Second, you have to meet CPP's definition of disability. For the contribution requirements, you have to have contributed to CPP in 4 of the last 6 years. There are some exceptions, so it's important to get details about your particular CPP contribution history. You can find out about your contribution history through what's called a statement of contributions. You can order a statement of contributions by calling Service Canada at the number on the slide or by downloading one when you register for an online My Service Canada account. Just Google My Service Canada account to find out how to register. CPP's definition of disability requires you to have a mental or physical disability that is both severe and prolonged. Severe means that you're not capable of working, and prolonged means that you'll be unable to work for a prolonged, indefinite period of time. The application kit for CPP disability benefits is made up of an application form that you complete and a medical report that your doctor completes. The general time frame for getting a decision from CPP disability is about 4 months. Grave illnesses get a quicker review. A decision is made within 30 calendar days. There are currently 41 conditions that CPP has deemed grave, and they include, for example, a number of types of cancer such as brain, colorectal, endometrial, kidney, liver, and lung, as well as metastatic breast and bladder cancer. Applications for patients with a terminal illness receive a decision within 5 business days. Terminal illnesses are those with a prognosis of less than 6 months. There's a simplified application kit available for those with a terminal illness. The amount you receive is based on how much and for how long you've contributed to CPP. The maximum is around $1,500 per month, and the average is about $1,100 per month. There's also a child's benefit available if the disabled person has a child under 18 or 18 to 24 and in full-time school. One important thing to note is that accessing CPP disability will not affect the amount of CPP retirement benefits that you receive at age 65. What is really important to know is that regardless of how quickly you get approved for CPP disability, you will not get your first payment until the end of the 4th month after you stop working. The first 4 months is considered to be a waiting period. Typically, you would be collecting employment insurance sickness benefits or short-term disability while you wait for your CPP disability benefits to start. You can stay on CPP disability until you're ready to return to work. When you've scheduled your return to work or have return to work and have earned $6,600 gross in a calendar year, you have to let Service Canada know. They will have you and your doctor complete some paperwork and will do a reassessment of your file. If the return to work is successful, your benefits will come to an end. You can volunteer or attend school while you are collecting CPP disability benefits. However, if you've been volunteering and or attending school for a combined total of 15 hours for 4 months, you have to let Service Canada know. They will then look into whether you still meet the definition of disability. You also have to let Service Canada know if you complete a school, university, trade, or technical program. The income replacement programs can be difficult to navigate. Through Wellspring's Money Matters program, you can meet one-on-one in person, by phone, or online to help you figure out which programs to access and when. We can also help with application paperwork. You can contact the Money Matters program by email at moneymatters@wellspring.ca. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for listening.